This video covers Synthesia versus sheet music, exploring which AI tool transforms your music creation without complexity. Both offer unique approaches: Synthesia for video-based learning and sheet music for traditional notation enhanced by AI. Synthesia and sheet music serve musicians differently. Synthesia focuses on interactive piano tutorials through AI-generated videos, while sheet music enhances traditional music notation with AI assistance. The core difference lies in visual learning versus notation-based composition. Synthesia is an AI-powered platform designed to teach piano through engaging video tutorials. It works by displaying falling notes on a virtual keyboard, guiding users to play along in real time. This visual approach simplifies complex pieces, making learning accessible for beginners and intermediate players. Its strengths include intuitive interaction, instant feedback, and a vast library of songs. However, Synthesia is limited to keyboard instruments and may not satisfy users seeking detailed music theory or notation skills. It also requires a compatible MIDI keyboard for full functionality. Ideal users are pianists who prefer hands-on practice and visual cues over traditional sheet music. Synthesia accelerates skill acquisition by combining AI with immersive video, making it a go-to for learners focused on playing rather than reading music. Sheet music AI tools automate and enhance traditional music notation, allowing composers and musicians to create, edit, and analyze scores with AI support. These tools work by recognizing handwritten or digital music sheets, suggesting harmonies, correcting errors, or generating accompaniment. Their strengths lie in preserving classical music structure while speeding up composition and arrangement tasks. Limitations include a steeper learning curve for those unfamiliar with notation and less interactivity compared to video-based platforms. Sheet music AI is ideal for composers, arrangers, and musicians who rely on detailed scores and want to integrate AI to improve accuracy and creativity. It supports a wide range of instruments and styles, making it versatile for professional music production. This approach suits users focused on deep musical understanding and precise score management. Synthesia excels in teaching piano through interactive visuals, perfect for learners who want to play quickly without reading traditional scores. It trades detailed music theory for accessibility and real-time practice. Sheet music AI tools, on the other hand, prioritize notation accuracy and compositional depth, ideal for professionals needing precise scores and AI-assisted creativity. In a real-world scenario, a beginner pianist benefits from Synthesia's hands-on learning, while a composer or arranger gains more from sheet music AI's notation features. The trade-off is between ease of play and depth of musical detail. Synthesia limits users to piano and visual cues, whereas sheet music AI supports multiple instruments but requires notation knowledge. Choosing depends on whether you prioritize immediate playing skills or comprehensive score creation. Choose Synthesia if you want an intuitive, video-based piano learning tool focused on playing skills without the complexity of traditional music notation. Opt for sheet music AI tools if you need detailed notation, composition assistance, and multi-instrument support. Both tools serve distinct needs, so select based on your musical goals. Synthesia for hands-on piano learning, sheet music for professional score management and creativity.